So let's begin uh, with the essence of blowing. It is not just heating up a furnace, it's awakening a living system. Every parameter from coke rate to burden mix must be synchronized like an orchestra. Our goal is to stabilize the heat transfer, safe ignition, and controlled ramp up. So as we move forward, we will see how each stage built stability from raw material to first iron. So delivering heat to the hearth is the main philosophy of successful blow-in. So here the concept is coming like that: the blowout pipe channel raceway heat deep into the hearth. The wood charge hold the coke blank above the tuyeres, ensuring all coke passes through the hot zone. These guarantee uniform heating and safe start. So once the hearth is alive, the next challenge is preparing the cast house for the first step. And cast house is very important here. So before the flame safety rules the floor. Each scaffold needs 40-meter cube of sand, runners preheated for 8 hours. So all these matters where we are preparing the cast house for the first step. When the metal and slag not to up to the mark, not enough fluid, maybe very high silicon. So for this extraordinary preparation of the cast house is to be needed. So uh, we need to have a all sand laying. So no welding above 41 meter. Oxygen is the enemy here. Every minute of preparation prevents hours of downtime. So now with the cast house ready, ignition begin. The most dramatic moment of the blow in is now over. And as you can see, this cast house preparation has been also earmarked one by one. And this is the concept till what we are igniting the wood, and above wood whatever the coke is there, that is getting heated up and allowed to descend downward, that is towards the hearth, and the dead man will be filled up by this hot coke. And so now coming to the GCP connect, where blade are open, the steam and nitrogen on the top. This creates a natural draft that ignite the wood. Flare ensure even ignition across the two years. So once the flame stabilizes, blast pressure rises to 0.3 bar. The GCP connect only when oxygen is gone. That is safety first always. So after ignition, the furnace breathes. Next comes the first iron, the make or break phase. So first iron 12 to 48 hours. So by hours 12, blowout pipes sputter, liquid metal is forming. We cut, lance and plug with the minimal clay to preserve two-year connection. By day 2, separation begins, silicon drop below 2.5% and the steel plant receive usable hot metal. That is, a fast silicon reduction is critical. Don't wait, drive the process. So once separation stabilizes, we shift the focus to raw material control. So the and all raw material current foundation is basically the consistency. As you can see here, consistency is the finding of success. So raw material as far is concerned, center finds, oversized lump and coke variability, each can be destabilize the furnace, as we should mark in our diary particular these things. So remedies include the spreading the fines via BLT charging, increasing center ratio and staggering coke mixing. So these correction keeps the thermal level steady and prevent the scab or slips. So with material stabilized, we can safely ramp up to the full productivity. And this is also very important part, that is by day 4 this production target around a good amount is going to be maintained. So maintain flame temperature above 1950, top pressure below 1 bar, coke rate reduction in controlled step. So the first plant shutdown only after 5 to 6 days. So keeping all these things in mind, the first shutdown is to be planned. So never before the coke blank is consumed. So this completes the blowing journey from the ignition to we can say the